What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something cool. This is a phone mount, but it's not just a phone mount. It's also a mount for your tablet or your GPS. And we are going to test this out. Now, this says it does 360-degree rotation adjustment. Is compatible with use of your iPhone or your iPad or your Samsung tablet or whatever your device is. It says it should have access to that device. All right, so it says it's sturdy mount, so we're going to see if it's really sturdy or not, and it has a flexible arm. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a tablet yet. I used to have a tablet, but I don't have a tablet. So stay tuned, because I am in the market for a tablet or iPad or whatever. So once again, links will be in the description. This says APPS2Car 2. That's the name of the brand. Let's go ahead, open this thing up. It seems small. So we have the adjustable holder right here. All right. It don't seem like it opened up that wide. Let me see. Okay, there you go. All right, there we go. All right, now when you open the box, the instruction of it is right here. So it tells you right there to press this. I didn't even see this, to be honest with y'all. So I just now saw it. So it says press the sides to open it, and that's it. It says install a cell phone, install a foldable phone, and install a tablet. So it has it all right there. All right. Now this is pretty cool. It even has their logo right here. All right, we have our little gooseneck holder. So this is for the little gooseneck. I call it gooseneck because most of the industry calls something flexible like this a gooseneck. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is strong. This is strong, you guys. Yep, I can admit to that. When they said strong, they did not lie. All right, so let's see. This is sticky, okay? So this is not your typical regular plastic suction cup. This actually has gel. Once again, made in China. That shouldn't bother you because everything is made in China. So if you don't like it, throw away all the stuff in your house. All right, now we have the little instruction right here. Now for y'all that usually put car mounts together, you may not need instructions because you've been putting car mounts together for a long time. But some people are new to this. I wish I had a tablet for y'all, but that will come later in the future, so don't worry about that. Oh wow. There goes our instructions. So it basically tells you everything that you need. So I'll take a picture, post it, that way y'all can see while I do it. And let's go ahead and install this bad boy. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do with it. All right, you guys, so you want to pick out the right location for you. It has that little middle part, so you put your middle part down wherever you want it, and then you will have to clip onto that. All right, so let's see. I am great. All right, so we push it in, and now we're gonna push up on our suction to make sure it's sealed. You guys, this thing is strong. All right, you guys, so let's check the measurement on this. I'm not sure on the width of tablets. I know they be like 10-inch tablets and stuff like that, but as far as iPads, I'm not sure about the width. Is it 8 inches? If it's 8 inches, you might get lucky, but that's as far as I'm coming out. All right, now the iPad Pro is huge, so I'm not sure, but 8 inches is what I'm getting, and that's me stretching it out as much as possible. So yeah, 8 inches that's as much as that goes. I actually didn't do no research before I bought this, so if I do get a iPad, it may have to be a mini. I don't know, maybe the regular iPad might work. We will see. I will look at the measurements, but for me, this product is cool, and this is what I want to use. What you want to do is twist your little screw off. All right, you usually put it right there, then you close that in, and then you twist this on. And now you don't need a Tesla. You have your infotainment right here. If you have somebody or kids over this side, they want to see a show or something, you can aim it to them or whatever. If you using your tablet for GPS because you want to use something big for GPS, you can use that. Now, what I'm using it for is my car scanner. So let me see. If I put my car scanner on here, like so, and my car scanner is a little heavy, you guys. Now, it is holding it pretty well. Now, you might ask, why do I want to hold a car scanner on here? Well, I want to look at live data. So I can look at live data without having to look down and look up, look down. I can do it while I'm driving. Now, this is pretty awesome, you guys. There you go. Now I got my OBD2 scanner. You need this part right here, the middle. They got this 3M sticker here. This stuff can mess up your dash. I have a older car, so using stickers and stuff and taking it back off of the dash is not really a problem for me. So yeah, that's the end of that review. Hope you like it. Got this product on Amazon. It was on sale, 20 bucks. They do have a newer version. I'll put that in the link also. I will put the link in the description also for this one and the new one. Like, comment, and subscribe.